What's the meaning of anachronism? Anachronism. 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 Anachronism.
Anachronism refers to something that is out of place in a particular period of time, often due to being old-fashioned or obsolete. When an anachronism occurs, it can disrupt the continuity or accuracy of a historical narrative or fictional work. For example, if a movie set in the 1800s features a character using a modern smartphone, it would be considered an anachronism. Anachronisms can detract from the authenticity of a work and may make it more difficult for audiences to suspend their disbelief.